Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review and swatch the Stay Quirky liquid lipsticks. Besides swatching, I'm also going to test the product for its pigmentation, staying power, transferability, etc. So stay tuned. The Stay Quirky Look Too Glam to Give a Damn is a liquid lipstick with super matte finish. It comes in this paper box which has all the details mentioned over it. The price of the product is Rs 449 for a net volume of 4.5 ml. The name of the shade is mentioned at the carton, which makes it easy for you to pick it up from your makeup organizer. Inside the paper carton is this sleek black stick. It has this transparent panel to help identify the shade. The exact name and the number of the shade can also be figured out from the bottom edge of the packaging. Now I'm going to open this. Stay Quirky liquid lipsticks are available at purple.com and I'm going to link down all the shades in the description box below. So the wand looks like so and is long enough for you to have better control at the time of the application. The color appears rich and pigmented. The formula has no fragrance, which I quite like. The formula is very creamy and smooth and glides on the lips effortlessly. The wand has pointed edges which helps to line the lips accurately. The liquid appears creamy and shiny at first, however it settles for a totally matte finish on drying. It takes roughly 20 to 30 seconds for the formula to dry out completely. It also did not feel very dry or patchy on my lips either. Unlike creamy formulas, it does not transfer at all while eating or drinking and does not stain your mugs, straws and clothes. Even as the day progressed, I did not find it fade away. It sustained for a good 5 hours without any touch-up. So now let's begin with the swatches. So this was my review and swatches of the Stay Quirky matte liquid lipsticks. All the product links are given in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye.